let's give it a try. We're going to start with that C mandolin chord. We're going to play that 8 times. Then we're going to slide that finger up to the 5th fret and play the F mandolin chord. And as you can see, the bottom finger is on the 8th fret of the A string. Then we're going to slide our first finger up to the 7th fret of the E string, and then play the 10th fret with our bottom pinky finger or 3rd finger. And we're going to do each one 8 times, starting on the C. So let's get positioned. 3rd finger, 3rd fret, E string, pinky finger way down on the 7th fret of the A string. And we're going to play this one 8 times before we move up to F. 1, 2, ready, go. And C. 2, 3, nice and slow. 4, 5, 6, 7. Slide the first finger up a dot. Then you can use your pinky or 3rd finger to catch up. 5, 6, 7, 8. Slide it up to the G. And we're going to go back to that F. 7, dip it down to F. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we dip it back down to C. Notice I'm just thumb strumming. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Slide it up to the F. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slide it up to the G or the C major 7. 3, 4, 5, 6. Dip it back down to F. Now you could write a lot of beautiful songs just using all 3 of these chords. And they make it a lot nicer than just your standard C, F, and G. Now, if I were you at home, I would use this part of the recording to practice. Just try to move in 8 strum intervals all the way up all 3 mandolin chords. This is how I learned it a long time ago, back when I was a fledgling James Hill student trying to figure out these moves that the master was doing. And once I've unlocked these mandolin chords, all of those beautiful songs that you hear that sound a lot more full than your standard ukulele jam start to come into focus. So that's the mandolin chords sort of crash course. I hope that a lot of the pictures that I added to the slides will help you. And I hope that it'll be a great practice resource, because again, this is not something that comes instantly. It'll take a while to get your fingers used to moving past the 3rd fret. And what's even better about these mandolin chords is they often integrate notes that are in scales that would start on the 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, or 8th fret. So you start getting your feet wet in terms of playing scales that are higher than your regular old C scale. So I hope that's somewhat clear. I'm just going to see. I can hear a melody.